Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Bomova brand heated blanket and it's flashing an F2 error code. And what happens, what'll happen here, how you're getting this and how you can get rid of it, this is actually a pretty simple one. So basically there's the controller and then the blanket. And what'll happen is if for some reason the controller gets disconnected from the blanket while it's still plugged into the wall, it will flash this F2 error code. And the only thing you need to do to get rid of it is just unplug everything and then plug it back in, plug the blanket back into itself, to the controller, before you plug it back into the wall. So just unplug everything, plug the controller into the blanket, plug the blanket into the wall, and then you should get rid of your F2 error code and your blanket should be working well again. So anyways, I hope this video helped solve the problem. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.